In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make someone else a host on Zoom. Transferring the host role is helpful when you need to step away, hand control to a colleague, or let someone else manage features like recording, breakout rooms, and the waiting room. Before we begin, make sure you are the current host of the meeting and that the person you want to hand off to is already in the meeting. What I'm showing here reflects the desktop Zoom app, and your screen may look a little different depending on updates, but the process is the same. First, open the Participants panel. Look along the meeting toolbar for the Participants button and click it. If the toolbar isn't visible, try moving your mouse to bring it up. When the panel opens, you'll see a list of everyone in the meeting, including their current roles. This view is where you'll make the switch. Next, find the attendee you want to make the host. Hover your mouse over their name to reveal additional options. You should see an icon with 3 dots, usually labeled More. Click those 3 dots to open a small menu of actions specific to that participant. From that menu, click Make Host. Before you proceed, it's worth pausing for a second to confirm you're selecting the right person. Making someone host gives them full control of the meeting, including muting participants, starting and stopping recordings, managing breakout rooms, controlling the waiting room, and even ending the meeting for everyone. After you click Make Host, Zoom will prompt you to confirm the handoff. Click Change Host to finalize the transfer. This confirmation is important because once you accept it, your role changes immediately. You'll no longer be the host, and your controls will be reduced to those of a regular participant unless the new host later assigns you as a co-host. Once the change is complete, look back at the Participants panel to verify the switch. The person you selected should now have the host label next to their name, and your name should no longer display that label. If you ever need to switch it back, the new host can follow the exact same process to return the role to you. If you don't see the Participants button or the Make Host option, it usually means you aren't the current host or your organization's settings restrict host reassignment. Signing in with the correct account or checking with your admin can resolve that. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can smoothly hand off control and keep your meeting running without interruption.